Our matcha hot chocolate recipe makes a creamy, sweet yet earthy drink that perfectly balances green tea with chocolate and milk. It's a lovely twist on regular hot chocolate and it's super easy to make. Here are the ingredients you need to make matcha hot chocolate at home. Instead of white chocolate, you can also use milk chocolate. However, the taste of matcha won't be as obvious as using milk chocolate. It'll taste more chocolatey than earthy. We're using a chocolate bar that we've chopped into small bits to make melting easier, but you can use chocolate chips to save yourself some time. For toppings, we like adding whipped cream or marshmallows, but this is entirely optional. Add your white chocolate and half of the milk to a microwave-safe bowl and heat for 1.5 minutes at 600 watts or at a lower setting. You want to melt the chocolate without boiling the milk. Then, give it a mix and add the rest of your milk. Heat for another 1.5 minutes or until all the chocolate is melted. Sift your matcha powder into a jar before adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water. Seal the lid and shake until the powder is entirely dissolved. This is one of the easiest ways of mixing matcha as you don't need an electric or bamboo whisk to get a frothy texture. But if you're interested in making matcha using a traditional bamboo whisk, do check out our other video. To help mix the matcha and chocolate milk together, we usually add a few tablespoons of chocolate milk into the matcha and shake again. At this point, we also like to add a pinch of salt, which helps to bring out the sweetness in the drink. Let us know in the comments if you can taste the difference by adding salt to your matcha hot chocolate. Once it's fully mixed, add the rest of the chocolate milk, then pour in your matcha hot chocolate into a glass and top with your favorite toppings. For more easy Asian drink recipes, subscribe to us at Honest Food Talks.